Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. So today again I have received this package. This is a package from Singapore. I have purchased this watch. For those who have not seen my videos, I review watches and I unbox them. So this is from the Micro brand based in Singapore. They make some beautiful designs. So let's open this box and see what's inside the package. So guys, this is the box and okay, let's open the cardboard box, and inside you will see that there is a wooden box. Okay, let's open this box. It's a nice wooden box. I like the texture and all. You don't need to give any watches in wooden boxes, but for such a small brand, such a small Micro brand, they have done such a fantastic job of packaging. So inside this box you can see that this is a leather roll with a nice buckle. And when you open this buckle, you can see it unfolds to reveal the watch in one. There is a Z on that. That is a watch actual. And then they are given this extra strap, leather strap for the watch. And then this is the warranty card. It's also in metal, unlike plastic or paper. And that's a nice fantastic way of presenting a watch. Now let's see the watch. Wow, this is a beautiful watch. Actually, the camera is not capturing its beauty. I don't know how far you can see it, but it just shines. Super high quality polish. I wanted a blue dial automatic watch for a long time, and this one is, as promised, it's a beautiful watch. I like it very much. The blue dial is superb, and the bezel is ceramic with loom. It's loomed ceramic bezel. As this is a diver, 300-meter diver, the crown is screw down crown, and it is protected by these crown guards very well. The design of the watch is fantastic. The watch is slightly thick, but I'm used to such thick watches, so that's not a problem. The thickness is 13 mm, so that's not much actually, and from lug to lug it is 48 mm. The bracelet is 22 mm lug width, and I believe it tapers down to 20 mm. And the case actual is 42 mm if you see diagonally, if you leave the crown. So it's a good sized watch. It is not small and it's not too big also. It has good wrist presence. I'll show you on the hand, but I have not sized the watch yet. Okay, this is beautiful. They have used 316L stainless steel, that is surgical stainless steel, and the ceramic bezel is also superb. The loom in this watch is amazing. So they use Super Luminova C3 compound and BGW9 compound, and it looks fabulous in the dark. Is it comparable to a Seiko loom? Yes, it is. Does it last? Yes, it lasts. It lasts over the night, and it is 100% legible. So it has got this 120 clicks unidirectional bezel. With a ceramic insert, and it has fully loomed numbers and indexes. So the whole watch just stands out in the dark. Very nice watch. I like it very much. The bracelet is also superb. Dial is nice. I like the broad sword hands, and nice application of lume on them, thick application. If you see, the indexes or the hour markers are not applied on the dial, they are cutouts. So this is a 3D dial. You can see there is a lume based dial below this blue dial. Even the clasp is nice and I like it. If you see the bracelet again, you'll see that it is screwed. So there are no pins. You don't have to push out the pins to resize the watch. You can just use a screwdriver and remove the screws. So that is also a good quality in this watch. I of course forgot to mention the sapphire crystal. So that is also taken care of. And overall, this is a very nice watch. I have taken this as my daily driver, and I wanted a watch with a hackable, automatic, reliable movement, which can be hand wound also. And also I wanted a superb lume in the watch. I also wanted a nice steel bracelet for it, so I can just be careless with it in water. Of course, it has to be a diver with a screw down crown. All that I'm getting in this watch, so I'm very happy with it. I forgot to tell you one thing. Because this is a 4-hour Seiko movement, it has a complication of date. But in this watch, you're not seeing the date over here. So when you pull out the crown, I'll show you. When you unscrew the crown and pull it out to the first position, nothing happens. Because that is the position where you change the day and date, or just the date. When you pull out to the next position, only then the hand stops moving, and then you can actually adjust the watch. So that's one feature which could not be removed because they used Seiko movement, which has already the date complication. That's fine with me as far as they're using a good movement, which is a reliable movement. And Seiko makes fantastic movements, so I have no issues with this movement at all. So guys, I hope you liked the unboxing and this small video of this Zealios Swordfish diver. If you like such videos, hit the like button, write to me in the comments, and please subscribe and please share this video. This is a very nice company, and they are making very nice products. And I would like to visit where they are situated in Singapore to see all the range of their watches. And they are doing a very fantastic job with watches, and they are using also a nice movement.